Hey everyone, it's Brian with Two Turntables and a Guy. Quick video on this guy. It's a Pyle Pro cable tester. This particular style, I know there's a number of manufacturers that actually make this same type of cable tester, but I think this is a great addition to my setup. I've actually got a duffel bag around here somewhere of a bunch of cables that I kind of held onto as backup, and quite frankly I don't even know if all the cables in there are good, so this is going to help me test everything out and get rid of some of the bad cables or troubleshoot them if it's something that I can fix. So I just want to take a moment. We're going to open the box, show you what's inside, and see if this might be a good addition to your rig as well. Alright, so here it is. This model number is PCT10, and again it's a cable tester. It's got a number of different inputs here, so you can test a number of different cables. First thing I'm going to show everybody here is right here. This is the battery door. When you open that up, oops, 9-volt battery that goes in there. And one of the things I like about this, I don't know if you can hear that on the video, but the construction of this is a nice metal case, so it's nice and solid. On the front here, we've got smaller jacks to test cables with, 3.5 millimeter. We've got up here you can either use test probes or you can use that for the banana jacks. You've got your 1/4 inch. This could be used to test MIDI cables, RCA, XLR, and speak on. And you've got the same thing on the other side here. And here's the dial here. Turn this all the way this way, do a battery check. It'll tell you if it lights up a nice bright green, that means your battery's good to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in a cable here just to show you how this thing works. And I've got an RCA cable here. You plug it into one side, plug the other end into the other side here, and immediately you can see that this lights up. I don't know if you can see the colors there on the screen, but it's green and in yellow. This is telling you that you've got a good solid connection. You've got continuity here going throughout the cable. If the yellow did not light up, that would mean you have a problem. And what you can do is you turn this dial here, depending upon what type of cable you have, and it'll test every single pin in that cable. For instance, MIDI here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different pins that are going to be running through that cable, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can test everything separately. So you go through there. And then of course nothing lights up here because there's not a third connection here in this cable. And it's good there, and it's also good there. So just a quick video on this guy right here. It's the Pyle Pro PCT10 cable tester. As I go through and test some cables, if I find some examples of bad cables, I'll try to shoot another video, show you how it looks when you're testing cables and you find a bad cable. That's it. Practice and enjoy.